Want to save time by automating repetitive computer tasks? Basic scripting for daily tasks. Automate your workflow. Easily is a beginner-friendly ebook created to introduce readers to the practical side of scripting and automation in a simple and understandable way. This guide focuses on helping readers understand how basic scripts can simplify everyday digital activities. Instead of spending hours manually repeating the same actions, scripting allows users to automate small tasks and improve efficiency in daily workflows. The ebook explains these concepts step by step, making it accessible even for people with little or no programming experience. Inside the book, readers are introduced to scripting fundamentals, automation logic, and practical examples of how scripts can be used for file organization, repetitive actions, task simplification, and workflow improvement. The explanations are written in a clear and beginner-focused style, helping readers gradually build confidence while learning useful technical skills. One of the strongest aspects of this ebook is its practical approach. Rather than focusing heavily on theory, it aims to show how scripting can become a real-world productivity tool. Whether you are a freelancer, student, office worker, entrepreneur, or simply someone who wants to work smarter, the book demonstrates how small automations can make everyday computer tasks more efficient. Automation skills are becoming increasingly valuable because they help reduce repetitive work, improve productivity, and simplify digital routines. Learning the basics of scripting can also serve as a strong introduction to broader programming and technical problem-solving skills. If you want to learn how simple scripting can help automate daily tasks and improve your workflow, you can order the ebook today using the link in the description.